The California Water Service wants to know why there is less participation in outdoor conservation programs as compared to indoor programs. As these maps and charts show, there is healthy indoor participation for programs such as high efficiency appliances and showerheads, but noticeably less interest in outdoor programs like turf reduction or water saving sprinkler nozzles. However, this program participation data doesn't have any information beyond who participated and in which programs. To try and discover the reason for this lack of outdoor participation, we'll turn to insights for ArcGIS and its ability to geo-enrich data. We've added the program participation layer to a map card, and now we can use the Action button to enrich this data. The data browser gives us access to Esri's living atlas of the world, which is filled with information that can tell us more about the customers who participate in conservation programs. We'll start with some variables to enrich our data with, such as median and disposable income. We also want to investigate if there's a relationship between program participation and consumer spending on lawn and garden care. Searching the word garden quickly leads us to variables that might apply. Once we have the variables we want to enrich our customer data with, we can specify a buffer distance around each point before running the task. Notice in the resulting layer how the program data has been enriched with statistics on median income, median disposable income, and money spent on lawn and garden care. We can use this new information to start exploring why less customers participate in outdoor conservation programs. For example, look what happens when we filter out just outdoor participants and create a heat map based on lawn and garden spending. The outdoor participants seem to align with areas that spend a lot on lawn and garden care. It's starting to look like there could be a relationship to outdoor spending and participation in water conservation programs outside the house. To get a better understanding of conditions in this area, let's try enriching some polygons. We'll take our program participation points and aggregate them to the zip codes that they fall within. Zip codes are one of several geographies available to use with your data in Insights for ArcGIS. Once we've isolated the zip codes that correspond to our study area, we can enrich them as we did with the point layer earlier. This time we'll explore the relationship between owner and renter occupied housing units. We'll also add the same lawn and garden consumer spending variable from before. Now we can examine outdoor program participation as it relates to home ownership. This scatter plot shows that more owner-occupied housing units correlates to higher spending on lawn and garden care. Assuming this higher spending will also lead to more outdoor water consumption, let's find the areas with the most owner-occupied housing units. This calculated rate of owner versus renter occupied housing can be symbolized on the map and also visualized on a chart. If we overlay our outdoor participants on the map, we can visualize the areas where we need to concentrate on promoting outdoor water conservation, places with higher rates of home ownership. Using insights for ArcGIS to enrich data with demographic and consumer spending information helped provide direction on where the California Water Service should focus their efforts to increase participation in outdoor water conservation programs.